Hi,
Vic!
Victoria!
Hi, Mark!
Kamusta support racing appointment?
Uy, alam nyo ba? Meron tayong bagong gwapong ministry partner.
Talaga? Marvin, magkape ka nga muna.
Oh.
Guys, malapit na yung commissioning night natin.
So, what have we learned?
Sobrang driven person talaga ako and I like to see results. Na-realize ko that my ministry is robbing me of the things that matter to me. Yung 9 months na training na to, natutunan ko talaga to place higher priority sa first ministry ko, who is my family. Na kailangan ko talaga itong isurrender kay God. Even yung ministry na meron ako ngayon. I learned how to balance yung work and yung relationship ko with people. This is the core to what I've learned in NST. Surrender.
So, what about surrender, Vic?
Surrender, I began reaching out to my family. Diba? And nakita ko lang na God bless it. Even in busy times, I'd make time for them. Every weekend, nakikwento ko yun na umuwi ako, yan, kahit overnight lang, just to spend time with them. And nakita ko na natutuwa sila na makita nila ako. And now, I am enjoying yung deep, meaningful relationship with them. And I've never been satisfied and contented now.
Sa akin naman, yung value ng relationship, lalo na sa household, living with people of different personalities and coming from different backgrounds could have 2 results. Una, maging bitter o maging better. Parang kagaya ng sa bahay, may gusto akong sistema na pwedeng iba sa gusto ng kasama ko. And this could create a strong tension if both of us would impose our personal preferences. Kaya na-learn ko sa training, to have good relations, hindi naman kailangan ng maraming promises, terms, conditions, or be legalistic sa rules. What matters most is unconditional love and respect for one another. Parang pagtugtog ng piano.
Sige nga, ano yan?
Nakikinig kami.
Relationship,
Piano.
ito to. Relationship is like playing the piano. First, you must learn to play by the rules. Then, you must forget the rules and play from your heart.
Wow, appear!
Lalim ng bro. Actually, I agree din with Mark. Same din naman yung highlight ko din for our NSC training. One is yung pagiging patient ko. I thought I'm patient enough, pero hindi pala. Mas nag-surface lang din yun nung mga first part and even to the latter part. Like, yun, how I deal with my batchmates, how I work with my disciples din. Na parang I've learned how to really patiently wait upon the Lord also. Siyempre, different tayo ng mga personalities. Pero nakita ko doon na hinambol ako ni God doon sa pagiging patient ko sa inyo din. Para mas mag-blossom yung relationship ko with you as my batchmates.
Wow.
Well, ang highlight ko sa NST would be my learning sa leadership. I learned na effective leadership is about humility. It never comes from arrogance or even pride, but it comes from a humble heart. Your willingness to listen to people, care for them, love them, those people na nililid mo. And yun, I'm not saying na I'm already a humble person. I mean, I'd say I'm so proud. Pero I'm praying na step by step, by God's grace, He would make me someone who would listen more, would pause to understand, and then be more loving to people. And just like Lisa.
Ang galing talaga ni Lord sa buhay natin.
Yeah.
Tama.
Kaya mag-celebrate tayo.
Uy, sige, maganda yan.